you, Mommy, for all you do. Happy Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. I love you.
Aww, thank you, my love. I love you too. Celine, I love you.
Hi, Mommy.
Aww, you're the sweetest, my loves.
Mommy, Mommy, look at your present. Daddy.
Daddy!
Daddy.
What's this?
Flower.
Oh, thank you, Daddy.
Daddy, Mommy, Mommy.
Oh, sorry. Filming? Oh, yeah, he's good. I'm getting that back.
Hi guys, good morning. Happy Sunday everyone, and happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful moms all over the world.
Especially this one.
Thanks, Daddy gifted me with flowers kanina pagkagising ko. Maaga siyang umalis, bumili siya ng bulaklak. Parang bouquet lang ng kasal. Let's talk about bouquet for the wedding. So, ayan ang ating pa-flower from Daddy Mike this morning. And, yes, iced chocolate and that. So, ngayon, nag-ready kami guys. Nag-makeup si mami niya because it's my day. It's Mother's Day, right? So, ito yung ating pa-outfit. Oh, ganyan. Mahaba ito siya guys. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Maxi dress ito siya. Hindi ko lang mapakita for now. But yeah, we're all ready. Daddy Mike is already dressed as well. So we're going to my tita's house. So doon daw kami magla-lunch for siguro doon kami magkikita-kita lahat yung mga mga family ko dito. Doon kami magla-lunch, celebrate ang Mother's Day doon. So it's gonna be fun. You know, the more the merrier. Yeah, come on anak, ate, come say hi here. Good morning. Alis na kami. Sabi ko, i-open ko lang muna yung yung vlog. Hala, it's not sunny that way?
No.
Is it gonna rain? Nope. Hi guys! Good morning everyone! So Ate Paris, oh my god, she's so sweet. She was singing the song to Mama this morning with baby Celine. Insert ko guys, sobrang nakakataba ng puso itong mga anak ko. Napaka-sweet. Knock, sabi. Kiss Mami!
You're gonna talk this.
I love you.
I love you, but I thought you're going.
I will untie it now. Celine, can you grab Celine, Daddy, please?
Looks like we have a P,
Dadu,
E,
Yes.
grab Celine.
R,
Oh, do you like my dress?
Yes.
Yeah, Ate Paris said like she likes my look now.
and R,
Don't she lang?
and
Very light lang ang ating pag-makeup, guys. May paano-ano. O diba, sobrang nag-ano na talaga siya, guys. Medyo nag-clear up na talaga siya kumpara. That's alright. Alright. Medyo nag-clear na talaga ang ating melasma. Salamat sa Diyos. Kita ba ang ano? Dito ko naman.
Are you gorgeous?
Thank you, sweetheart! You're so sweet! Ayan, meron siyang paano kalikon. Abo.
we begin to B and L.
Oh, ayan. Diba? Minsan lang, once in a year lang mag-Mother's Day. Okay, guys, let's go!
Mommy,
Yes, princess. Ayan, guys, nakalabas na tayo. Ito ang ating outfit. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Haba. Sobrang haba. Napakahaba talaga. Pero ganyan ang kanyang look. I so love it. Even though hindi siya masyadong, sunny. So I'll bring them the sun. Sobrang love my look today. Ang aking hair, ginanyan ko.
Mommy?
Ponytail lang.
Mommy?
Very, simple. And baby Celine is here. Ay, gitangtangan niya ang kanyang, headband.
Mommy,
Ay, shush, bata ka. Ay! Apple. Yeah, grab it. Go, give it to Daddy, go. Go, give it to Daddy, quick. Daddy nasa sasakyan. Hey, Daddy is here. In the car.
Daddy.
Oh, he's in the car. Taka, ka na wag. Yeah, see? Come on.
Daddy.
Yeah, this way. This way, Daddy's here.
Daddy, 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 Daddy,
Daddy. Okay, go in now and you can give it to him inside.
Daddy,
Okay. Excuse me.
Daddy,
Silin mo mabiyaan sa iyang daddy.
Daddy, 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 Daddy.
Daddy, paminawin mo anak. Holding hands. Oh, have a look at her lang. Have a look at her, just look at you. Dito na kami sa Acacia Ridge, guys. Ayan, malapit na kami sa bahay ng tita ko. Lumabas lang kami kasi may bibilhin kami sa shop. Daddy Mike and Celine naiwan sila sa sakyan kasi natutulog sa baby Celine. And guess what? Kabayan Filipina store. Ba, mamaya na tayo dyan. May bibilhin pa tayo sa Woolies or sa chemist. Nak, no? Tingnan nyo nangyari, guys. Maxi dress pa more. Pinuhol ko na dyan, oh. Sobra na, extra maxi dress. Oh, wow. Tingnan nyo ang ating parcel. So big na, anak, babe. Multi lang. Wow, it's so very big. She's growing. First time ko palang pumasok dito. We'll see what's available. Yeah, I know. It's so cute. Yan. Come, sweetie. I'll go to Chemist Warehouse for sure. Meron sila nang hinahanap. Tingnan nyo guys ang aking bitbit. Bili ako ng drinks. Nakasale kasi ito siya. Ano daw? Tatlong ganito. Mga minis ko siya. For 16 something. Guys, may dalang t-shirt. Chips. I'm very excited na yun siya. Umuulan pa naman guys. Tingnan niyo sa labas. Yan. Umuulan yan. Basta yan. Tingin tayo ng very light doon sa Filipina store. Let's see kung ano yung mabibili natin ng mabilisan. Come on now, Miss Doritos. Hello, kumusta? Stop, look lang. Oh my God. Ang dami. What shall we get lang? Nag-stop kami sa Filipino store, di ba? Bumili ako nito guys kasi nakalimutan kong
How much groceries did you buy?
Huh?
How much groceries did you buy?
No, I was rushing. Just like randomly grab stuff. Bumili ako ng Bello o Bongga. Hindi ako nakapag-moisturize galing sa bahay guys. Uy, ginoo ko. Mala pasta ng mala. Punta pa tayo sa see the family tapos mukha tayong tigang. Alrighty. We'll put the address study please. We're just waking up Celine guys. Karating na kami dito.
Let's go.
Wanna hold this one?
Yes, it's my umbrella.
Actually, that's for Celine. Tulog kasi yung ating baby Celine. Just, come on Bob, kasi it's raining, Bob. Gonna get wet. Tignan niyo, ha? Hi! Where are we? Josh! Where are we? Josh, paulan-ulan.
Right.
Paulan-ulan. Nak. Celine lang. Hala, ang aming bit-bit. Oh, pandesal over. Welcome. Guba lang pa yan. Yes. I'll just leave it here. Ming. Can you close the gate lang? Close the gate, palihog. Wala akong marinig. Sa likuran siguro sila.
Job!
Ay! Nakurat.
Job!
Ha?
In the back kay doon na dito ang sit up.
Oh, dito loyo di ay? Okay, they will walk on the back daw lang. Have to go on the back. Lingy, lingy, ling. Ay. Yeah? Ah, okay. Lini. Basa ang baby. Hey! Happy birthday to you. Ayan lang. Go, go lang. Go. Ay, gentle dog. Thank you. Okay, bless nanay lang. Bless nanay.
Diretso na ako.
Happy Mother's Day, ha?
Happy Mother's Day, pe.
Happy Mother's Day, Nay. Ah, shush. I miss you, Nay. I haven't seen you for a long time. And you too. Somewhere. Yeah, happy Mother's Day, guys. Hi.
Happy birthday!
Yes, masa vlog be. Happy birthday, mama.
Hindi ka lang mo.
Sige na, oy. Hi. Ay. I'm going to say Happy Mother's Day ba na? Not yet. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day sa imong.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day na.
Happy Mother's Day!
What age you?
About 2 months.
Hoy!
Happy Mother's Day.
Sexy ba?
How are you?
Happy Mother's Day, Job.
Taoy, lugam to nakita taoy.
Nagamay na makapag-ayaw. Kansa ka.
Sada ay.
Si Hay na.
Ay, shush, basta dai. Tita? Tita? Nay!
Hoy, hi. Lagi, unsa man ka eh? Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day!
Yay! Happy Mother's
Yay!
Day.
Tita nga, gwapa oh.
Na, ikaw gid daw ba pa si?
Ay, ano na kay talag sa lagod, di ba?
Mao gani.
Balag tumlaw ah.
Make a moment.
Once in a year ba yan, di ba, Nay? Tingnan niyo gusto yung dobing pagkain, oy.
Tanan man
Mara magpista ah.
tanan man nagdala-dala.
Unsa ni, Nay?
O kana siya mo na ibang ipalang.
Ah.
Syukur lagi.
Doon na. Ano na ito lamang?
Welcome to my guys.
Hala, single ka din na. Guys, single. Yan yung ating may bisilin, oh. Wala, kup-kup si Papa. Ha? Made me coffee. Yes? See guys, they're very professional. They can make coffee professionally. Lini's having ice cream. What a lucky girl. What a lucky girl. Hmm? Maulan sa labas. Mama! You like it? Mama, bite it? Who gave you the ice cream? Woo! Tita? Can you say Tita? Joanne. Joanne. Yum, yum. What is it? What is it?
Mommy, Minnie, Winnie.
Oh, Minnie, Minnie.
Wow.
Wow, yeah. They've got Leon here. It's the Mau Mau.
Mommy,
Hmm?
Mau.
Mau. Say hi, Mau.
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 Okay, much.
Yeah, say hi, Mau. Good girl. Pinasok ko to dito kasi umuulan sa labas. Naglalaro sa ulan. Binihisan ko na nga ng damit. Oh, dala ko na extra. Mura po kagkurik. Dagan-dagan nito sa ulan. Mau. It's 4 o'clock na, guys. What's that? What have you got? Oh, you wanna cut the apple? Ah, Celine thought it's real, guys. Sobrang paak niya ba? Yeah.
Ano, apple,
Apple?
mau.
You wanna give the apple to the mouse?
Ano, mau.
Hmm?
Is mau.
No? No. Apple. Si Ate Paris, sobrang laro sa labas. Nakatapos ko lang din padediyan, guys. Hindi pa iyak-iyak. So, yung binili ko kanina sa shop is yung boob tape. Kasi, para dito ba, oh? Ayan, pero sticky siya. Naglagay ako ng bago kasi pinadedi ko man. So, ginanon ko. Ayan, bago na naman yan siya. Pandikit ba? Pandikit. Show the tito, your nana. Yeah.
Ay, nana.
Nana, for the mouth. Meow. Tingnan nyo, oh. Sobrang dumi ko na, guys. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, oh.
Ano,
Buhay ng isang ina. Ay, hindi makauwi ng bahay na malinis, no? Lahat na. Ito siya kanina sa ulan, pero ito siya, ang mga bata, guys. Kumain ng ice cream. Oh. Diyos ko, Lord. Alasing ko na, fresh ka pa ba? Fresh ka pa ba? Fresh pa ba ang ating melasma? Sabi ng tita ko ba, maganda na daw yung dito ko. Oh, I'm very happy. Yeah, it makes me so happy, guys. Makatanggap ng ganyan.
ay, nana.
Nana!
Nana.
Ay, Nana!
Nana.
Gusto niya bigyan ng banana. Kasi sobra akong naano talaga sa aking melasma. But it seems like, yan, clear up na talaga siya. Thanks God.
Mommy.
Yes! Ang laki-laki ng kanilang maunak ba? Ayaw lang, kasi he might get angry lang. He's keeping warm. Hindi, maginaw na kasi. Tinatanungan nila ako, guys, kung hindi ba ako giniginaw kasi ang outfit ni mami niyo. I'm fine. Hindi naman siya sobrang ginaw talaga. Tapos, binigay ko na yung kanilang mga regalo for Mother's Day. So, yung Tita Nancy ko, binigyan ko ng Coach na pouch. Si Tita Christine, binigyan ko ng pangginaw na sweatshirt, yung knitted. Yun, suot-suotan niya ngayon. Baka maipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And then, si Nanay Lily, binigyan ko ng Coach na black bag kasi hindi siya naggamit ng yung mga colorful na mga bags ba. Of course, kasi matanda naman si Nanay Lily. Kaya binigyan ko siya ng black na Coach handbag. It seems like she likes it. So I'm very happy. It makes me, ewan ko lang guys, it makes me so happy kapag nagbibigay ako. Alam niyo yun? Like, kahit wala akong matanggap or I don't expect anything in return. Like, it just makes my heart so happy kapag may naibigay ako and I made someone happy. Ganun ako, guys. Ha, what is it?
Lamang ko na ako napas ganina.
Ang sta?
Guys, pag-isip ako ba?
Ah, huda ka naman gani kayo ta.
Oo, na ako napas. Uy, may mga chalungkoy diri yan. Hala, nakapriso man mo di ay.
Hindi na, guys. Madalim na sa labas. Uuwi na kami. Nakapag-bring house na. Uuwi na. May bit-bit na kaming, dinala ko talaga yung langka, guys. Yung langka, kinataang langka. Nay, say hi sa akong vlog, Nay. Hi! Hi!
Ano na, filma?
Dili, uy, ako ng vlog. I will upload ni sa internet.
Oh, mo ba?
Oo, pakita ni Mama na yun. Hi, everyone! Artista na ka, Nay. Artista na ka. Ay, ma-discover niya, Tanay. Sige na, anak. Taog na, anak.
Nah, she can have it, she just can't swallow it.
That's right. Yeah, go out na.
She's eating it.
Careful, anak. Careful. Oh, thanks, ate. Careful. Hold on.
It's okay.
Daddy, may bitbit ng bring house. Bring house. Say bye-bye na, nanay.
So that's why
Ay, hangin na, nanay. Is in the toilet.
Where are we going now?
Ay.